question that we are discussing here says that the locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining the focus to a moving point on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is another parabola with vertex. Now they are already given you that if you find out the locus of the midpoint joining the lines which is your focus and any point on the parabola, then it will give you some other parabola. But what they are asking you in the question, that what will be the directrix of that other parabola. So first we will try to find out the equation of that other parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax will be a parabola which will look something like this. This is your y square is equal to 4x. Now what they are saying, locus of midpoint of the line segment joining your focus. This is your focus whose coordinates are a comma 0. And this is suppose your any moving point on the parabola which I can take as P, and this focus I will take at S. Moving point on the parabola will be x comma y. And you have to find the locus of the midpoint of this line segment. So if I join these 2 points, I will get one line. Okay. And the midpoint I can take as suppose R. R is the midpoint whose locus is to be found out. So let me take that point as h comma k. It is midpoint, that means RS distance is equal to PR distance. Midpoint coordinates are given by what? H will be equal to x plus a by 2. And k will be given by y plus 0 by 2. From here you can say that x will be equal to 2h minus a, and from here you can say that y will be equal to 2k. Now since x and y are points that lie on the parabola, that means these 2 points will satisfy the equation of the parabola. If I substitute these 2 points in the equation of the parabola, I will get y square as 2k whole square is equal to 4a into 2h minus a. If I solve this, I will get 4k square is equal to 4a into 2h minus a. This 4 will get cancelled. So you will get k square is equal to, I will take out this 2 also as common. So if I take out this 2 common, I will get h minus a by 2. Correct? Now see, if I take out this a common, it will come in the numerator and not in the denominator. So I will have to remove this. And you will get 2 outside. So 2a will be 2a into h minus a by 2. This will be the equation of the parabola. Now since we have found out the locus, you will have to replace k by y and h by x. So when I replace this, I will get what? Y square is equal to 2a into x minus a by 2. Okay, now this is the equation of the parabola that we have got. We have to find the equation of the directrix of this parabola. First, we will see what is the equation of what is the vertex, what is the focus and all these things. So the equation of parabola is y square is equal to 2a into x minus a by 2. Correct? So this is of the form this, where the equation of directrix, if you compare it to a standard parabola, it is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, where the equation of directrix is given by what? Equation of directrix is given by x is equal to minus a. But what do you have in place of x? In place of x, you have x minus a by 2. And in place of a, what do you have? 4a is equal to 2a. You can take this a as a dash, suppose. If I take this as a dash, you will get this as a dash. So this point will also be a dash, a dash, a dash, a dash. All these points you can replace by a dash. So now if you substitute it, you will get 4a is equal to 2a dash. So from here, what can you say about the value of a? A is nothing but a dash by 2. So in place of a, what you will write? Minus of a dash by 2. And in place of x also, now you have x minus a dash by 2 is equal to a dash by 2. So these two things will get cancelled and you will get the value of x as 0. So what is the equation of the directrix? The equation of directrix is coming out as x is equal to 0, which is option number C. The question that we are discussing here says that let P be the point 1, 0 and Q a point on the locus y square is equal to 8x. That means Q is any point on the boundary of the parabola y square is equal to 8x. then you have to find the locus of the midpoint of PQ. Suppose we take the point Q as x comma y. If I take the point Q as x comma y, one thing that I know is that these coordinates xy will satisfy this equation y square is equal to 8x. Okay. What will be the coordinates of midpoint of PQ? Let R is the midpoint of PQ. Then we can take the coordinates of point R as h comma k. Then what will be the value of h? H can be written as 1 plus x by 2 and k can be written as 0 plus y by 2. From here you will get x is equal to 2h minus 1 and from here you will get y is equal to 2k. Now x and y are two coordinates or 2 points that satisfy the equation of the parabola y square is equal to 8x. So we can substitute these values over here. So you will get 2k square is equal to 8 into 2h minus 1. On solving this you will get 4k square is equal to 8 into 2h minus 1. This 4 will cancel this 8 and give you 2. So from here you will get k square is equal to 4h minus 2. Replace k by y and h by x. So you will get y square is equal to 4x minus 2. If you write it in the form of the options, you will get y square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation or the locus of the midpoint of the point PQ, which is option D. So option D is the correct option.